Foundation repair isn't always about making your house perfectly level again. Sometimes it's just about stopping it from sinking more, and that's totally normal. Okay, so here's the deal. When you get foundation work done, especially with piers, the main goal is usually to stop further sinking rather than bring everything back to perfect level. Like, if your house had a 3/4 inch sag over 25 feet, that's not super bad, and most companies will focus on stabilizing it instead of lifting it back up fully. You'll notice some doors might not close right if they try to fix the sag by lifting, which can mess with your framing. A good tip is to get an inspection report before and after repairs, so you can see exactly what changed and what didn't. If the company says they can't guarantee lift but only no more sinking, that's actually pretty standard in foundation repair work. It's about preventing new damage, not undoing old shifts. If you're worried about those 2-inch sinking spots still showing up on a report, ask the company for clarification on whether that's within normal expectations or if they recommend monitoring it over time. Keep track of any changes in your home, like new cracks or sticking doors, and keep communication open with the repair company so you're not left guessing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair is expecting the foundation to be perfectly level again. Most repairs just stop further damage, but don't reverse all settling. Another common issue is ignoring small signs like doors sticking or new cracks. These can mean the repair needs a second look or some adjustments. Finally, not getting a clear explanation from the foundation company about what their repair will and won't do can cause confusion and frustration later on. Fix these by setting realistic expectations up front, keeping an eye on your home's condition after repairs, and asking lots of questions before agreeing to work so you know exactly what results to expect. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to foundation, repair, and other home projects. It also connects contractors with people looking for reliable professionals, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right without the usual stress.